John Klatt, a Lieutenant Colonel in the Minnesota Air Guard. Once again, he'll drive the aircraft skyward. He's going to run out of forward airspeed and energy. And get set to fly backwards at over 60 miles an hour. Now, backing it out. Here it comes. There's 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Out of the bottom side of the zone, smoke, he'll flip-flop last second. Tail for no. Recovery. Right in the Airshow today. Now, right off the deck. Now goes back up to the vertical. During John's performance here this morning, John is experiencing 10 positive G's and 6 negative G's. Now, different positive and negative. John rolls, swings level at the top of the maneuver. He'll push around the bottom side of the outside. 6 times the force of gravity has an amazing roll rate of over 420 degrees per second. Now, here he's going to go around and around. 420 degrees per second. There he is. The aircraft John flying today, the Air Guard Staudacher S-300D. The aircraft getting its name from the builder, Mr. John Staudacher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rolls on the way out, 420 degrees per second. Now, immediately on that, John's going to pull back into the vertical. 8 times the force of gravity. Going skyward, demonstrating the horsepower that's like on the I-054, skating and sliding the aircraft. At the top, John's going to have left rudder, right forward stick, in the hammerhead turnaround. Now, right off the deck. Watch John at the top of this maneuver. John is going to send the Air Guard Staudacher through a series of high-speed stalls, snap rolls, on top of the loop, once, twice, 3 times around on top of the loop. Known in the aeromedical world as a triple F. 480 degrees, and here comes those negative G's. The difference between positive and negative. Simply let that light on the I-054 cool down. And John will tighten up his belt to make sure all of his engine is to the green.
I want everybody to count with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, let's roll. The old Staudacher roll fast. Now we're going to go for a flat spin. Here we go. 90, 300 miles an hour into the vertical. We're going to go right, stick, left pedal. Woo, here we go. Going for a ride in the Air Guard elevator flat spin. All right, going to get in the flat out of here. There we go. She shot 2,500. I tell you what, are we having fun? I want to hear some noise.
Did you hear that? Record crowds making some noise.
Record crowds are what it's all about. Airshow does a great thing, Tim Jarvis, and it just doesn't get any better than this, does it?
Absolutely not, and I wish I was up there with you so I could see this crowd. It's got to be quite a sight.
It is quite a sight. Hey, back in the day, Tim Jarvis, parts on the roof were pretty cool. Okay, we're just going to try a little one. We're going to go into the vertical here. We're going to do a quarter roll and a 3/4 roll. We're going to lay it on out. Tell you what, I'm having a blast. There's 47 feet above the water. I'm working my sunglasses because they're fogging up. Backside, here we go. Down to the water. Okay, we go with the Air Guard vertical tumble. This time there's about 10 feet. Right stick, right pedal. Around it goes. Tell you what, I love my job, Tim Jarvis. How about you?
You had better believe it.
It doesn't get any better than this, my friend. We're going to bring it back down and send it back to you.
Alrighty, folks, what do you think so far? Lieutenant John Klatt in the Air Guard Staudacher S-300D. Down by the West Bathhouse, we have some great trees in West. Stop out by Green Corner of the Colonel Holman's talking about the 106. We are grateful for all of that. Performance. Watch John Klatt in there go right now. He's going to dive down straight off into that altitude for some energy. One unique characteristic about this aircraft, its wooden wing fabric and composites, the aircraft is capable of plus or minus 20 times the force of gravity. Where John resided today with his wife Debbie, his daughter Leah, and son Danny. Ready to introduce to the Air Guard sophomore year. Upon initial pilot completion training program, John was assigned to C-130s, flying missions all across the world. Then later, in 1996, transitioned to the F-16. Now, Airshow Center, here he comes in. We're going to give him away. He's going to give him a little push at about 20 feet off the water. Saying thank you all, Jones Beach, for coming out here this Memorial Day weekend. Record crowds today. A special thanks to all the folks at Jones Beach, the Clark, Andrew Lee, Chip Warren, Georgiana Marson. We sincerely, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you all. And Airshow fans, you are extremely lucky. As John said, I'll repeat it, this is one of the best events in the nation. So put your hands together for all the fine folks that make this happen here this weekend. Rob Ryder, on behalf of John Klatt Airshows, we'd like to thank you all for coming out here this weekend. A lot more action coming up. Always a pleasure working with you, Wayne Boggs, the best in the business, my friend. Folks from Jones Beach, so long.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for John Klatt in the Staudacher. S-300 brought to you by your Air National Guard and Tim Jarvis. Nice job, Timmy. I will see you later, partner. Have a great afternoon. In just 2 minutes, we're going to be bringing in some warbirds. And so we're going to take a 2-minute break. We'll be right back with more of the Bethpage Federal Credit Union.